Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a problem that is, let's be honest, a real pain. Literally. I'm talking about leg cramps. We're going to uncover the top 3 foods you can eat to stop those cramps right in their tracks. So let's get into it.
You know the feeling, right? You're sound asleep, and then bam! That sudden, sharp, seizing pain in your calf or your foot jolts you awake. It is a terrible way to start your day, and it could leave you feeling sore for hours. But what if the fix wasn't in your medicine cabinet?
That's right. The solution is way simpler. It's natural, and you know what? It's incredibly effective. We're going to build a cramp-fighting arsenal straight from your fridge and pantry. Let's kick things off with our very first superfood. First up, we've got the humble but mighty egg. Seriously, it's not just for breakfast. It's a complete powerhouse for supporting your muscles and preventing the very fatigue that so often leads to those awful cramps.
Okay, so what's the deal with protein? Well, one of the main culprits behind cramps is just plain old muscle fatigue. And as we get older, we naturally lose a bit of muscle mass. It's a process called sarcopenia, which makes our muscles way more likely to cramp up. Protein is the #1 building block for repairing and maintaining that muscle, helping you fight back.
And this number really says it all. A single large egg packs about 6 grams of high-quality, complete protein. And complete is the key word here. It means it has all 9 of the essential amino acids your body absolutely needs for muscle repair, but can't make on its own.
And what's so cool is how this protein actually works. It's not just sitting there, it's actively rebuilding worn-out muscle fibers, which in turn makes your muscle contractions smoother and more efficient. It's basically attacking the problem from all sides.
But wait, the story doesn't end with protein. Not even close. Eggs also deliver this amazing 1-2 punch of essential micronutrients that are just as critical for your muscles and nerves.
The real magic here is how these nutrients work together as a team. Vitamin D helps your muscles use calcium correctly so they can contract smoothly. At the same time, vitamin B12 and choline make sure the nerve signals telling your muscles what to do are crystal clear. Think of it like a total system upgrade for your muscles.
So here's the practical tip. Despite all those old myths about cholesterol, modern research shows that for most healthy adults, enjoying an egg a day is perfectly fine. So go ahead, work them into your weekly routine.
All right, let's move on to superfood number 2, the classic banana. And it's famous for a reason. Bananas are an incredible source of electrolytes, which are basically the minerals that carry the electrical signals your muscles need to work properly. Let's focus on the star player here, potassium. It's kind of like the traffic controller for your muscles and nerves. When your potassium levels drop too low, that's a condition called hypokalemia. Those signals get all scrambled, and that can lead directly to spasms and cramps. And this just shows you exactly why the banana is so darn effective. In one medium banana, you're not just getting a great hit of potassium, you're also getting a good amount of magnesium and vitamin B6. It's not a one-trick pony, it's a whole cramp-fighting cocktail.
And this is where the partnership is so important. We just said potassium helps muscles contract. Well, magnesium does the exact opposite. It helps them relax. It's the mineral that basically tells your muscles, okay, you can let go now. And vitamin B6 just backs all this up by keeping those nerve signals running smoothly. It's the perfect team to keep your muscles from locking up.
And hey, here's a little pro tip for anyone who suffers from those middle-of-the-night cramps. Try having a banana as an evening snack. It can help top off your electrolytes and relax your muscles, setting you up for a peaceful, cramp-free night of sleep.
Okay, time for our third and final category, nuts and seeds. I want you to think of these as tiny, super concentrated packets of cramp-fighting power. They're full of electrolytes and healthy fats that support everything from muscle relaxation to good circulation. So if bananas are the champions of potassium, then nuts and seeds are the undisputed kings of magnesium, that critical mineral for muscle relaxation we were just talking about.
And just look at how potent they are. Check out pumpkin seeds. A single 1-ounce serving gives you a staggering 40% of your daily magnesium. That's incredible. Almonds and cashews are fantastic sources too, making it super easy to hit your daily goal.
Now, beyond electrolytes, there's another huge benefit here: healthy fats. You're really getting a 2-for-1 deal. On one hand, you have walnuts and flax seeds, which are loaded with omega-3s that fight inflammation. On the other, you have the fats in almonds and cashews, which help improve blood flow. And since poor circulation is another major cause of cramps, this is a massive advantage.
So you can really mix and match based on what you need.
Go for pumpkin seeds if you want that magnesium boost, grab some pistachios for potassium, or snack on walnuts and flax for those amazing anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Variety is your best friend here.
And the best part? It doesn't take much. A small handful a day is really all you need to get these benefits. Just try to choose unsalted varieties so you're not getting a bunch of extra sodium, which can kind of work against your hydration.
Okay, we've covered a lot of ground, so let's bring it all home and put it together into a simple, powerful action plan you can start using today to build a cramp-free life.
So here it is, your simple 3-part strategy. Start your day with eggs to give your muscles the protein they need to rebuild. Have a banana in the afternoon or evening to keep those electrolytes balanced. And snack on a handful of nuts or seeds to top off your magnesium and help your circulation. It's simple, it's effective, and best of all, it's delicious.
By consistently adding these 3 foods to your diet, you're actively giving your body the exact tools it needs to keep your muscles strong, relaxed, and working the way they should. So the only question left is, which one of these are you going to add to your plate today? Thanks for joining me.